Are you still struggling with repeatedly adjusting the saw blade data? A truly useful grinding machine must have a super strong memory function. To learn how fragrant it is, watching the video. Now the machine is running smoothly. Interrupt power supply. Waiting for restart and power on. Login successful. Select automatic. Still the number of teeth before the power outage. Further processing. Mini machine has powerful memory function. Whether it's power outage or shutdown after work, when the machine works again, it still has the same data as before. Saved a lot of time for customers. Welcome to contact me for more.